Unbox and set up the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M126 Plus printer series. Open the box. Remove the printer power cord, USB cable, input tray, and packing material. Remove the printer documentation. Place the box on its side. Gently remove the printer from the box. Remove the printer from the plastic bag. Remove all tape from the outside of the printer. Lift the scanner assembly. Remove any remaining tape. Open the output tray extender. Flip the instruction sheet down. Open the toner door. Hold the instruction sheet upright. Remove the foam insert. Remove the toner cartridge. Remove the instruction sheet and the attached orange plastic. Rock the cartridge back and forth about 5 or 6 times to distribute the toner evenly. Flip open the pull tab at the end of the cartridge. Using the pull tab, remove the protective film. Remove the orange guard from the top of the cartridge. Reinsert the toner cartridge. Close the toner door. Close the scanner assembly. Remove the input tray from the plastic bag. Remove the tape from the tray. Insert the paper tray until it clicks. Slide out the paper guides. Load the paper. Adjust the guides so that they rest against the edge of the stack. To print on shorter pages, you can install the adapter onto the paper guide. Remove the adapter from the storage slot on the right side of the paper input area. Position the adapter so the plastic prongs are facing away from the printer and pointing down. Push the adapter onto the paper guide until you hear a click. Flip the adapter down. Load the paper. Adjust the guides so that they rest against the edge of the stack. Plug one end of the power cord into the back of the printer. Plug the other end of the cord into a power outlet. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Press the power button to power on the printer. Select your preferred language. Then select OK to confirm. Select your country or region. To download and install the HP printer software, go to 123.hp.com. Enter your printer model and select Next. Select Install HP Easy Start to download the software. Once the download is complete, open the file. Follow the prompts to install the printer software. When asked to confirm your proximity to the printer, select OK on the printer's control panel. Then select OK to confirm. Continue to follow the prompts to install the printer software. Once the install is complete, you are ready to start printing.